Hey guys, I got something really exclusive for you today. I just received the MK-5 mini kit Ifak / EDC toolkit from $20 Bandit. Here it is. Nobody else on YouTube has this. I am the first. He sent it to me to look at it and show you guys. We wanted to get a fellow YouTuber's impressions on this pouch. And right now I can tell you that this thing is quality. It is made in America with U.S.A. materials and labor. Right there in California, Southern California. Okay, you got a bungee here as a retention strap. All you got to do to open it is flip it around to the back. And there you have it. There's the pouch open. Now this is a first aid kit that he sent with it for me. It doesn't come with the pouch normally. So set that to the side. And this is business card. So let's check out this pouch. This is the MK-5 mini Ifak and / EDC toolkit. Just looking at it, you can tell that there are so many possibilities with this. He's got 2-inch bungee right here and 1-inch bungee on the top. He's got a D-ring for retention on a piece of gear, like a dummy cord, or you could make it a leash for like a pair of scissors. Of course, a full-size pair of medical shears like this won't fit in here. It is a mini kit, but they do make smaller sizes of those shears that will fit in there, and he shows that on his video of this pouch. I'm going to put the link in the description box to his video and his channel. So go check him out. This is great stuff right there. He found that he was lacking in a small first aid kit or pouch that you could put in your pocket here on the side of your BDUs or your combat uniform or whatever. It's 5.5 by 6.5, fits perfectly in there. Even bulged out with a whole bunch of gear in it. This thing is great. It's got double stitching along this, along right here. This is really well made. I really like this. It's got this see-through pocket right here. So when you put your, let's say you put your first aid kit, you can see where everything is. Then he's got a pocket right here that goes all the way to the bottom, right here. He's also got this is what he's calling a retention pocket, because you can put other stuff in these bungees that may be longer than, right here. So I'm putting a magazine for a 9mm Beretta. You see how it fits perfect? That's what the retention pocket's for. Or you can put something small in here as well. It fits all kinds of different stuff. Let's see, I've got a Innova light, flashlight. Oops, just flashed it, sorry. But that fits in here, or it probably fits in better this one. See if I can do this. Yeah, right here. Okay, and it's in the retention strap, retention pocket. Let's put the magazine back in here. Oh yeah, this is awesome. So you could use this as a backup. Now you could put a full-size multiplier in there. Of course, you could put a Right in the Rain pad in there. Of course, an Altoids tin will fit perfect in here, along with some other stuff. You could put this in the back pouch back here. Let's load this thing up just a little bit, show you what all I can carry. Put the first aid kit on this side. Okay, I've got a little pill container that'll fit in here. Oh yeah, look at that. You can just load this thing up And even if it's, you know, really fat, that's the purpose of the flexible bungee. Look at that. It's closed. That's not coming undone. And it'll still fit in your cargo pocket with ease. Oh, this is great. This is a perfect size. Crye Precision Multicam. I mean, this is really neat, guys. I was so excited that he said that he would send me one, because this thing just looked like it would be a really cool pouch to have. This isn't part of it. What you'll get is the pouch itself, which is really well made. It's even got a it's got a loop Velcro strip here, so you can put your name, or, you know, have one that says first aid or whatever. But you can use this for just about anything. This is really cool, and it's really well made. I love the design. You can personalize it if you so need it, and you're going to use it exclusively as a first aid kit. You could put another loop field and get one of those first aid patches to put on there. But I mean, really, look at this. That's all you got to do to open it. Is just get that bungee out of the way, and you got your first aid kit right there, ready to go. I mean, this is great. This is going to fit perfect in my gear. And I waited to do another update on my UTG messenger bag, because I wanted to see how big this was and where it would fit. And right under the flap, in that zippered compartment, this is going to be perfect. Alright guys, so that's the Mark 5 Mini Ifak / EDC toolkit. This thing's great. Go check him out. $20 Bandit. Like I said, I'll have his channel in the description, and his web site also in the description. This thing is neat. I really like this. This is going to be a permanent part of my system. I was waiting for this so I could finish updating my messenger bag. This thing is great. I'm not just saying that. It really is. It's really nicely done. Quality materials. I mean, this is really well stitched. And of course, I love it being multicam, since I started getting all my multicam gear. Multicam, and it's coyote brown inside. This is great. The stitching job is really well done. Yep. This will work. So guys, check him out. $20 Bandit. Go tell him Army Stinger 150 sent you over. Talk to you guys later.